Twitter to increase tweet character limit to 4,000. From 280 to 4,000. Company's new CEO, Elon Musk, has confirmed this on Twitter. Reply to a question whether rumored plans for Twitter to increase the character limit to 4,000 were true. He responded, yes. I wonder why 4,000. You can write an essay. 4,000?
Well, I believe that's what community notes was for. Because they don't want to just post like a JPEG and then it's just like a paragraph. They kind of want the writing to be in Twitter, the characters.
Huh. Oh, so, will this be part of the blue subscription? Oh, I want 4,000 characters, $8 a month. Check mark, $8 a month. Less ads, $8 a month. It's part of the premium deal, isn't it, Will? You think so? Oh, and if you subscribe through Apple, it's going to be $11 a month. Are you paying for this yet, by the way?
No. I feel like it's going to be a feature, but I haven't paid for blue.
Can you pay for it right now? Can you get the blue check mark right now?
I believe it's available now.
Well, go for the check mark, Will. Oh, you don't even want it anymore.
Nah.
I noticed the number of accounts with old check marks. If you hover it, now it says this is a legacy account. This is going to be going away. Like, they're just going to get rid of all the check marks until you pay for it.
Oh, boy. Okay.
I don't know.
All right, well.
However, on the Unbox Therapy Twitter account, which has the check mark, it hasn't shifted to that legacy thing. It says it's a news organization or something.
So you haven't paid?
I didn't pay anything either.
Oh, okay.
But I feel like we should now. Now I'm going to pay. I want to see what happens. I'll pay on the Lou Later Twitter account and see what happens.
All right, cool.